Hello, it's Mrs. Bryant, and I'd like to share with you how to use our library catalog and how to log in to the library catalog. What you're looking at right now is BearClix. It's what I call a portal, and it provides an opportunity for you to log into various different websites, links, and special areas that we have available for you at Harpeth Hall, and the library catalog is one of those. I have already gone into my library catalog and I've already logged in. I want to show you and describe to you how you can do that, and so I'm going to open up this little document that I've created. So you saw that login button on the right was my picture. So the words login were replaced for my picture. When you open up the catalog, you'll click that login button and you will log in with your username and password. Your username is your first name dot your last name dot your graduation year, and your password is the password you use to log into your computer. I'll also have this written in the guide where I'm placing this video, and so if you don't have that information and haven't written it down right now, don't worry, I'll have it written in another place as well. So I'm going to minimize this right now and get back to the catalog. So there are a couple of different things that I want to feature with the catalog, and the first is just a very simple search to look for a book. So let's use the book Wonder. It's a book that most people love, and we just want to make sure that you can see how you can simply see a book, and I'll click the search over here on the right, and the book pops up. The first book that pops up in this, though, is not a print book, it's an ebook, and that little E is an indicator. As you get used to using the library catalog, you'll learn that there are different types of media that we use in the catalog, and ebook is one of those. There's also a video of Wonder, and then if you scroll down a little bit more, the book, the actual book, is listed right here. So I obviously had this book on hold already, so I'm going to unhold it, and I want to show you some. It's very, very simple. To place a book on hold so that you could have the book delivered to you, that's all you would need to do is click the word hold. And then let's say, just like I did, you think, oh no, I really don't need that book. You click on hold and it takes care of it for you. It's excellent. It's very simple. So that's the first thing I wanted you to see, that it's very simple. If you know the title of the book, you can very easily find it in this library catalog. So if I back out and I start over in our search, you'll see that there's an area called Topics on the left, and under that are some words called adventure, animal, fantasy, dystopian. Those are really considered genres in a library, and we have many different genres, and we also have many different books. So if you're interested in, for example, graphic novels, you just need to click on the link. It will open for you, and then you can peruse and look around at a lot of different book titles. You can open up the book and look at it in terms of a description. This one's out, so let's see, maybe I want to put it on hold. And it will give you a brief description of the book. And it also will show you some book reviews if you look over here to the left. So you might say that there might be an interesting review that you wanted to see based here. This one's empty, I'm sorry, but there are links available that show an actual book review. And the last thing I want to do is show you that up in the top that you can very easily, again, just put in hold on that book. Okay? If you want to do your own review, that's what I was looking for. You can just click Add Review. You can give it 4 stars and write a little description. And after you read a book and love it, it's a great thing to do. We approve it, and then you'll see that you are listed as the author of that book review. That's all I have for right now about how to put a book on hold and how to use the library catalog. If you have any questions, contact me. Thank you so much for listening.